got fire, no doubt. Lighting up the night, it's real. Pop it off the beat.
As you can see, it's really peachy and natural looking, so it doesn't look that pigmented on your skin. Using the Etude Bare Edge Slim Brow in the shade 01 Dark Brown.
Of our laughter rise in the crowd, we're making waves. Heart speed sync, we're paralyzed.
As you can see, it's really natural too, and the color isn't too dark. Just a palette in the shade W01 and the light pink over here. I'm just using this to brighten my under eyes because it gives off a really natural look. Next, I'll be doing my contour with the Too Cool for School Artclass in the shade 02 Modern. Next, I'll be using the glueless strip lashes. These lashes are especially good because you don't need to put glue. They already have like sticky bits attached to it.
다른 세상 속 불빛과 함께 한순간 뛰어가 이젠 내 안에 반짝임 가득해 손을 잡아봐.
I already have makeup on, so I'll just go over what products I use and how to use them. After finishing my base, I'll be using a powder. It's the Suppin powder by Cosmetic. You can also wear this powder to sleep as well. Two different scent for this, and personally I use the green one. One over here. So now we're gonna use the Roman Twinkle pink eyeliner. And for eyebrows, I'm coloring Browcara by Etude House Ash Brown. For the lip part, I'm using the Girl Coat lip gloss, and it's in the shade of J815. And it's really pretty. That's it for everything. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below which one's your favorite makeup.